Hi everyone, so today we're going to put together the Deluxe rocking stand from Clair de Lune. Just to note everything that we've got on the floor here, and also to come with it you do get your manual instructions as well, but hopefully this video helps you if you are getting a bit stuck. Okay, so what you want to do first is pop the two of your wooden pieces just inside of the legs, the part A's and part B's that you have here. So just one in the middle section, just in there. Slot them in, and then you're going to want to take 4 of the 50mm, the large ones, the screws, and what you're going to do is you're going to put these, slot these in here, and the screws are just going to go underneath and be tightened in just underneath there. Okay, so after you have finished that, so it should look like this. So once you've done one, just do the same with the other one, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so after you finish that, what you'll see is that the two are on there with the stoppers on each side, so that obviously when these are up, like so, you come on the floor and it will rock. Then also, when you flip them round, they have the stopper on each side, so that the baby is nice and secure there as well. Okay, so next, if you're obviously looking at your nice instruction sheet as well, like I am, you'll see there's quite a large chunk of information coming at you at one point for section 3. So basically, in basic terms, you're just putting it together, one on top of the other like this, with the slats in between, and once you put them all together, what you're going to do is you're going to have the slats with the rope between on the top level, so it'll be on the open side, and the ones without will be going on the bottom. Okay, so now you're looking pretty good. Finish this a little bit off there. Lovely. Okay, so now that all this is done, the last little bit really is to get your flexible safety straps, support straps, and just pop them on either side, finding what's a good thing to do at this point is potentially pop the crib without the baby just on there, so you can get a sort of measurement as to which hole that you'll be needing to obviously bend that round and connect it at either end to keep everything safe for when the baby is actually inside the crib. So now that you've got your flexible support straps on, like so, you're pretty much good to go. So if I take one of these, here's what I made earlier, and just check that it all locks in and it's all fitted and all safe, so that when it rocks, we're all good. So last thing to note, as you say, on the inside you have your locks and unlocks there, just to make sure that if the baby doesn't want to be rocking, or you don't want the baby to be rocking, it's nice and safe. Brilliant! Well, hope this has helped you if you had any struggles, and do let us know in the comments or anything like that if we can help you any more. Perfect.